All right, let's see what's inside this box today. I've been waiting for this. Meet the XPOWER P-230AT Mini Mighty. First impression, it's surprisingly compact and lightweight. Just over 10 pounds. Easy to carry anywhere. The blue color and sturdy design look professional. Check out this handle, super comfortable to grip. Let's pull it out. Feels solid, not flimsy at all. Here's the power cord, 10 feet long and wraps neatly. I love the built-in cord wrap for tidy storage. There are 2 power outlets right on the side. That means you can daisy chain multiple units together. Now look at the control panel, very user-friendly. A mechanical timer dial, up to 180 minutes or continuous. 3 speed settings, let's try the lowest first. It's quiet, but you can feel the airflow immediately. Let's bump it up to medium, definitely more powerful. On high, wow, that's some serious airflow for the size. This thing moves up to 925 CFM. Impressive. Perfect for drying carpets, floors, and even furniture. I can see this being a lifesaver after spills or leaks. Let's check the positions. 4 angles, 0 hours to 20 to 45 to 90 degrees. Great for directing air exactly where you need it. Fits easily under counters and inside cabinets. If you work in restoration or janitorial, this is ideal. Stackable design makes storage and transport a breeze. The housing is tough, commercial-grade injection molded plastic. You can tell it's built to last through heavy use. Energy efficient, only draws 2.3 amps at max speed. That's great for running several at once without tripping breakers. ETL CCTL safety certified plus dual thermal protection. There's peace of mind with the 1-year limited warranty. And XPOWER's customer service is California-based, easy support. Honestly, it's a pro tool, but also perfect for home use. Drying out my bathroom after a shower? No problem. Need to air out the garage or workshop? This works. It's so portable I can move it room to room easily. The timer is handy. Set it and forget it. I'm impressed by how much air this little guy pushes. If you need fast drying in tight spaces, this is it. For restoration pros or DIYers, I highly recommend it. Check the link below to grab your XPOWER P-230AT. Don't miss out, make cleanup and drying super easy.